In today's industrial world, reliable and efficient compressed air is essential for various applications. The LG Air Compressor is a powerful and versatile solution designed to meet the demands of diverse industries. The motor is the power source for the air compressor. It converts electricity into mechanical energy, which is used to drive the piston. The air filter is located near the air intake of the compressor. It removes dust, dirt, and other contaminants from the air before it enters the cylinder. This helps to protect the internal components of the compressor from wear and tear. The cylinder is a metal chamber where a piston moves back and forth to compress air. As the piston moves down, air is drawn into the cylinder through the intake valve. Then the piston moves up, squeezing the air in the cylinder and forcing it out through the discharge valve. This compresses the air, increasing its pressure. The pressure switch and gauge work together to control the pressure of the air in the tank. The pressure switch is an electrical device that turns the motor on and off based on the air pressure in the tank. When the pressure in the tank falls below a certain level, the pressure switch turns on the motor, which starts the compressor and begins filling the tank with air. Once the pressure in the tank reaches a certain level, the pressure switch turns off the motor. The pressure gauge is a dial that displays the current air pressure in the tank. The outlet is the port where compressed air is discharged from the tank. It is typically equipped with a valve that allows you to control the flow of air to your tools or equipment. The drain valve is located at the bottom of the air tank. It is used to drain condensation that collects in the tank. Draining the tank regularly helps to prevent rust and corrosion. Benefits: reliable performance, cast iron construction, and heavy-duty components ensure long-lasting operation. Designed to handle demanding industrial application. Energy efficiency. Efficient aftercooler reduces energy consumption by lowering compressed air temperature. Automatic start-stop system further optimizes energy usage. Cost effectiveness. Lower operating cost due to energy efficiency and reduced maintenance requirements. Minimal maintenance. Automatic tank drainage and user-friendly design minimize maintenance needs. Versatility. Suitable for various industrial applications including manufacturing, providing compressed air for operating machinery, tools, and processes. Construction. Driving pneumatic equipments like jackhammer, nail gun, and sprayers. Automobile workshops. Supporting tire inflation, air tools, and paint spraying. Painting. Delivering consistent air pressure for spray painting applications. The LG Air Compressor offers a robust, efficient, and cost-effective solution for your industrial compressed air needs. Its reliable performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features make it an ideal choice for businesses seeking a dependable partner. For detailed specification, pricing, or to purchase the LG Air Compressor, visit our website or contact your nearest LG dealer.